Today we're going to learn how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter E. Remember, you can practice writing your letters by using your finger and writing the letter in the air, using your finger gently and tracing and writing on your learning device, or if there is someone there to help you, you may use a piece of paper and a writing utensil of your choice and practice writing that way as well. Let's begin. This is the uppercase letter E. The uppercase E has 4 steps, so listen carefully. Step 1, we are going to draw a straight line down, starting at the top of our writing space and ending at the bottom, just like this. Now, step 2, we're going to lift and come back up to the top line of our writing space and draw a straight line to the right. Lift, coming down to our middle line, our dashed line of our writing space. Step 3 is we're going to do a straight line to the right that's going to be a little bit shorter than the straight line across that we did for step 2. Then we're going to lift, come all the way down to the bottom, and step 4, we are going to draw a straight line across at our bottom line of our writing space, ending in the same spot as our step 2 line. And that is how you write the uppercase E. Let's practice together one more time. Get your fingers ready. Let's do step 1. Step 1 is our straight line down, stopping, lifting, coming back to the top. Step 2 is straight line across, lift, coming to the middle, a shorter line to the right, lift, coming back down to the bottom of our writing space and doing a straight line to the right once more. And that is how you write the uppercase E. Now it's your turn to do it on your own. Get your finger ready. Go ahead and practice writing the uppercase E now. If your uppercase E looks like my uppercase E, then you did it correctly. Great job. Now, this is our lowercase e. It has 2 steps. The first step, we're going to go almost in the middle of our dashed line and our bottom line of our writing space, and we're going to do a straight line to the right. Then we're going to circle left, coming around almost like a C, and stopping just here, and be careful not to connect. We do not want to make a full circle. And that is how you write a lowercase e. Let's do it one more time together. Get your finger ready. Again, straight line across, stop. Now we're going to be doing our circular motion to the left, coming back around, stopping just before we meet. We do not want to touch our line. That is how you write the lowercase e. Now let me see you do it on your own. Go ahead and write the lowercase e now. If your lowercase e looks like my lowercase e, then you did it correctly. Great job. Now, let's review and write them both together. The uppercase e is on the left, the lowercase e is on the right. Using our finger, let's begin writing the uppercase e together. Remember, step 1, straight line down, stopping, lifting, coming back to the top. Straight line to the right, stop, come to the middle, shorter line to the right, stop, coming back down to the bottom for our last step, which is another straight line to the right, again about the same length as our step 2. Great job. Now, lowercase e, straight line across, stop, doing our circular motion to the left, coming all the way around and stopping. That is how you write the lowercase e. Great job. Now I want to see if you can do it on your own. Go ahead and start writing your uppercase E now. All right. If your uppercase E looks like my uppercase E, you did it correctly. Fantastic, guys. Now, let's go to the right side and practice writing our lowercase e. Go ahead and show me how you write the lowercase e now. If your lowercase e looks like my lowercase e, then you did it correctly. Fantastic job. And that is the end of our lesson on learning how to write the uppercase and lowercase letter E.